I'm Chiang Mai people.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice
Long
to meet
time.
you, long time see.
Not yeah.
จะได้รู้ไงว่า
Okay. 치앙마이의 마지막 날인데 치앙마이에 제가 2번 정도 놀러 왔을 때 알게 된 친구들이 있어요. 친구들이 계속 바쁘다가 오늘에서야 좀 시간이 된다 그래가지고 잠깐 보자고 하더라고요. 무슨 유명한 가수가 와서 콘서트를 한대요. 그래가지고 지금 거기 가서 공연을 보고 있는데 제가 그 앞에 오면 같이 만나서 합류하기로 했는데 거기가 이제 티켓이 없으면 못 들어간대요. 얼굴 보고 인사 나누고 지금 여기 왔네요. 아 여기 사람들 많네. 아 여기 뭐야? 아 여기가 따완댕 마하손 치앙마이. 엄청 핫한가 보다. 이야 으리으리하네. 여기가 펍 겸 술집 겸 클럽 뭐 그런 건가 봐요. 근데 오늘 유명한 DJ가 온다고 티켓까지 구해가지고 이렇게 지금 있네요. 지금 연락했는데 연락 받아가지고 지금 앞에 나올 것 같아요. 같이 들어갈지 아니면 다른 클럽으로 뭐 이동할지 모르겠어요.
Yeah.
Ba.
Ba.
Right,
Yeah.
right. Let's go.
Okay.
So
Let's go together. Two. Just only two.
only two.
You and me and my friend. But need to
Mm.
waiting.
Waiting.
Yeah.
Waiting. Who?
Superstar into Thailand come here.
Ah.
No problem.
So they wanna see the superstar,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah.
Are you okay?
Okay.
Really? Are you sure?
Little bit.
But
Go to infinity.
but can I buy the ticket or?
Cannot table. Yeah.
They already booked the ticket.
Yeah, but don't have table.
So you guys
Table with noon.
noon
Yeah. I have friends to
infinity.
Yeah.
You have many friends.
Yeah. Oh. I'm Chiang Mai people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Chiang Mai people.
Nice to meet you.
Nice
Long
to meet
time.
you, long time see.
Not yeah. Long time, no?
Right.
I think 5 year old.
Right.
Hey, no. 5 year.
5 year. 5 year.
ใช่ไหม
Bye. Chai.
You not come to Thailand. Long time.
But I have been Bangkok one time after COVID.
Yeah. I know. Before COVID, you cannot come here.
All right.
And next time you go to Hong Kong.
Oh no. I already have been Hong Kong. I come to Chiang Mai from Hong Kong.
Before you come to Thailand, you from Hong Kong.
Yeah. Right.
เหรอ อันก็ from ฮ่องกงนะ
Yeah. You work in Hong Kong.
Yeah.
How long?
Stay in Hong Kong 2 weeks.
2 weeks?
Yeah.
It's not that long. Oh.
Yeah. Oh, I scare police. It's so many.
Really?
Every day. Yeah.
It's
I'm just go to party every night.
I see.
Yeah.
But-
Wait. I don't have card. Wait. You want to drink alcohol or beer? Or whiskey?
사람이 없다. 사람이 없어.
Can wait outside front.
Dinner?
Yeah.
I have dinner. You're hungry?
No.
No, I'm not hungry too.
Okay. Beer?
I think here is Leo.
Beer? Yeah.
Leo?
Leo.
Leo.
Why you know Leo?
Leo.
Oh. You don't want?
ถามแสงว่าผมดูแล้ว
I want to drink this one. Okay. Sade. สิเนี่ยอะไรอ่ะว่าย
go to inside.
ซ้าย
Yeah.
ตีอยู่สองคนไม่เคย
But cannot go. Cannot go to house.
they don't sell
Yeah. Yeah. Don't have.
ผิด
But
สื่
you
อสาร
you can buy ticket, but you don't have table.
how much is the ticket
250.
you have table right with your friend
One table. Please stay. Oh, people.
so you already go
That's only four. My people. Me. And Noon. And sister Noon. Inside someone else. You want to go? Hey, no dancing. That's only dancing. See? Just start. And next time you can come here. Okay, now. My ticket 250
but there is no free 분위기가 너무 휑해가지고 그냥 타완댕 아까 봤던 거기로 아마 들어갈 것 같아요
ท้าให้น้องจะได้รู้ไงว่าฟังเพลงอะไรกันนะครับ
อยู่ที่ไหน
유티ไหน
Yes อยู่ที่ไหน
성난 유티ไหน
ห้องน้ำ Yeah yeah toilet
그러네
Oh
타완댕
Yes ตะวันอีกใช่ไหม
타완댕이라는 게 치앙마이만 있는 게 아니라 다 있다고 하네요
I don't know where what ถ้าซื้อตัวนี้ซื้อที่ไหน Need to buy 1,000 for 4 people
1,000
Yeah Only
Just
cannot
one people?
one people yes cannot ยืนแถวนี้เขาบอกว่าเขาอยากเข้าไปดูข้างในที่อยู่เลยนะคะหน้าบูหน้าบานกับไม่ได้ตาคนเดียวไม่ได้
왠지 안 되는 분위기인데 제가 이제 못 들어올 뻔했는데 여기 옆에 성함이 안이라고 하시는 분인데 그분이 제가 혼자 이제 테이블 못 잡고 못 들어오고 있으니까 옆에 있는 바가 도와줘가지고 같이 테이블 공유해서 지금 들어왔고요. 태국에서 진짜 유명한 가수가 온대요. 그 사람 이름이 유얼보이 TJ라고 하는데 유튜브 찾아보니까 구독자만 300만 명이 넘더라고요. 그래서 엄청 유명하신 것 같고 이게 정기적으로 공연이 열리나 봐요. 오늘은 진짜 유명하신 분이 와서 오늘 월요일인데도 불구하고 이렇게 엄청 꽉 차 있는 거라고 하네요. 어떤 공연일지 좀 기대되고 안에 너무 사람 많아가지고 소리가 아무것도 안 들려고 잠깐 나왔어요. 취향만이 이렇게 큰 무슨 공연장처럼 클럽처럼 돼 있는 게 있는 줄도 몰랐네. 현지인이 소개하는 데를 와야 좀 신기한 곳을 알게 되는 것 같아요. 왠지 온 것 같으면 들어가 볼게요. 진짜 열광.
เชียงใหม่นานมากแล้วนั่ง
없네요. 유얼보이 TJ를 잘 모르지만 그래도 그 느낌은 진짜 있는 것 같아요. 잘하는 것 같아요. 혼자서 어떤 무대를 장악하는 능력이나 음색부터 해가지고 무대에서 노는 그 느낌이 인기 있는 이유를 알 것 같아요. 예전에 제가 지코 공연을 한번 갔었는데 지코가 진짜 큰 무대에서 백댄스 아무도 없이 혼자 노는데 잘하더라고요. 약간 그런 느낌에 좀 가까운 것 같아요.